Translation English to Assamese. The leaves of a tree are green. Gosor patbur heujia. Do you take care of trees? Tumi gosor joton korane? We must take care of trees to keep the earth green. Prithibikhon heujia kori rakhiboloi ami gosor joton loboi lagibo. Flora and fauna are interdependent. Gos aru pranibor itue hitur uporot nirbhorshil. Assam is a beautiful province. Asom ekhon dhuniya pradesh. Srimanta Shankardev is the greatest person of Assam. Srimanta Shankardev Asamor mohantom ব্যক্তি. A person should always love his fellow persons. Manuhe hoday logoria manuhok bhal pabo lage. The teacher said to Roman, be careful while crossing a road. Shiক্ষক jone Romena kole, alibat par hote habodan hoba. The man gives light only at night. Jone ratiye pohor diye. There was no cloud in the sky. Akakhot meg nasil. Promises must be kept. Protiga rakha koriboloi lage. Can you swim across the river? Tumi noikhon hatori par hobo paribane? Misa, we should not tell a lie. Misa kotha koa usit nohoy. He loves his elder brother very much. He kokayek khub bhal paয়. Let them come in. Teolokok bhitor loi ahibo dia. I need a pen. More eta kolomor proyojon. Have you ever seen a lion? Tumi ketiaba hingo dekhisane?